Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to report product listing violations. Let's dive in. If you are following along from my screen, I'm going to walk you through how to report product listing violations on Amazon. If you come across a product listing that doesn't seem right, whether it's inaccurate information, a policy violation, or any other issue, you'll want to take action to get it corrected. First, go to the product detail page of the item in question. Scroll down to the bottom of the details, and you'll see a link labeled Report an issue with this product or seller, or Report abuse. Click on this link. You'll be taken to a form where you can select the type of violation you're reporting. Choose the appropriate option from the drop-down menu, such as infringement of intellectual property, incorrect information, or policy violation. Fill out the details about the violation, providing as much information as you can to help Amazon address the issue. Once you've filled in the necessary information, submit the form. Amazon will review your report and take appropriate action if the listing is found to be in violation of their policies. It's a great way to ensure that product listings remain accurate and comply with Amazon standards. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.